Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Infophilic Era. In today's video, I will be going to simply demonstrate the way that how we can create a professional logo for your insurance company. Okay, so I have given link in the description. Just click on that link and you will be redirected to this Canva website. From here, there are a lot and countless templates where you can choose and design your designing logo. Okay, so make sure to sign in into the account, as I already have an account in this website. So make sure just simply sign in an account, and here I'm gonna choose a logo. Okay, so once you have choose the logo from here, and it will be loading. Just wait a second, and once the design template has been open, and here we go. So as you can see, there is a white portion right now here, and we will be going to create a professional logo here. Okay, so just navigate to the elements. From elements we will be going to choose that clip art. Okay, so here you have to just search and you will find a lot of other elements. Just make sure to choose anyone, and here I'm gonna choose as you can see, here are some paid one and some free one. So as you can see here, this is the paid one, this is the free one, and I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so as you can see, it comes to the Canva, and I'm gonna resize it. From here you can change anything according to your requirements. Okay, so this looks very perfect. Okay, just resize it, and make sure, as you can see, it has been perfectly aligned on the center. Okay, so what we have to do, just I'm gonna change the background color. Just double tap on the background, and here we go. So I'm gonna choose this color, this and this one looks perfect. Okay, so the background color should be blue in my case. Okay, so you can choose whatever color you like. Okay, so I'm gonna choose blue one. Okay, so now we are gonna add the text, and here some text are free and some require premium account, but make sure to choose a simple color for your logo. Okay, don't select any fancy color, because it really confuse some people. Okay, so what we have to do just right now, and here we go. So I'm gonna choose this one, and here we go, workout. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so make sure to select the font style according to your requirements. I'm gonna choose this one just for the purpose of demonstration. Okay, so apart from this, still if you have any question regarding the fonts while choosing, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely help you. Okay, I'm gonna down the template color, and here we go. So this is the text. I'm gonna move it a little bit down, and here we go. So I'm gonna change right here insurance. Okay, so make sure to write the perfect name that I'm just here writing it for the purpose so that you understand. Okay, I'm gonna change its color. So this is the whitish. Now I'm gonna select yellow color, and here we go. So it's look little bit nice for me. Okay, so make sure to choose your color according to your requirements. Once again, I'm saying that, and now resize this clip art as well. Okay, so and align it to the center. Okay, center of the logo. Okay, once you have done this, now I'm gonna select the next text. Okay, and here we go. I'm gonna drag this one, and here we go. As you can see, I have selected the text. This will be the slogan. Okay, slogan. So make sure to add the perfect tagline for your logo. Okay, so I'm gonna just enter a dummy text right here. So as it is, this is the slogan. Now I'm gonna add save the life. Okay, it is similar to the insurance. Okay, so now the logo has been designed, and it is very simple and quite easy. You can do it if you are not a designer. Okay, so it doesn't require any type of skills or complex designing. Okay, just keep it simple. Okay, so now as you can see, the design has perfectly. Okay, so as you can see here, in this way you can design your desired logo. Okay, so still, if you have any question regarding the color, clipart or anything like that, or if you have trouble while using the website, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely reach you out. Okay, so before I go ahead, make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the recent post videos and notification on my channel. Okay, now what we have to do, just as you can see that it has been perfectly created, the insurance logo. And what we are gonna do now, you can save it. Okay, just right, and here we go. Here what we have, here we have another page. You can add another logo from here. Okay, and I will be going now to save the logo for you. Okay, that how you can download the logo and use it on the any. So here click on the download and click on this download icon. Okay, so once you have clicked it, the logo will be downloaded. Okay, it doesn't require any credit card or credentials like that other website that you are using for the designing. Okay, so now as you can see, the logo is being generating and it will be downloading in a while. Okay, so as you can see here, the logo has been downloaded and here we go. So as you can see, this is the logo. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the recent post videos and notification on my channel, and see you in the next video.